Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting. Today is Thursday, April 30th, and I have lots of fun, new, pretty things to show you. We're going to start with a large collection that just came in from Timeless Treasures, all batiks. This one is called Snorkel. The next one is a beautiful purple print. Let me slide Snorkel over. This next one is called Grape. Look at all the lovely color in that. That would make a really nice tote bag or handbag. Here's another fun print. They sent us a lot this time. We have a lot to show you. This next one looks like Starfish. I really love the colors in that, especially those tans. It would be nice to pick up some tans in a coordinating fabric on that. I'll flip that one over so you get more of the view, more of the colors. Next we have a similar color print but different design. This is going to really help to restock our batik shelves. You guys have been buying lots of batiks for masks. It is a nice tightly woven product, batik fabric in general. Really good choice for mask makers. Here's a bright and sunny yellow. There is a little bit of print in that. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a little bit of a leaf print in it. Maybe down here. Just a really minor textural print. The next one we have a really sunny corally pink color. Here's another one of those yellows, and you can definitely see the leaves in that one. That is the same leaf print that's in the yellow I showed you a minute ago. And that color is called Sun, which seems very appropriate. Same leaf print in a green. I really like the blue in there. If you haven't ever looked at the process of batiking, it's an amazingly interesting process. I'll find a video. One of our batik suppliers out of Bali posted a video a while back of how this happens. It's an amazing process that involves a lot of human labor. So to me, it's shocking that we can buy these for the same price as everything else in the shop. All right, beyond these batiks, we also just received in a new Free Spirit solid in white. And again, I know I say this every time, but the hand on these solids is so nice. It's almost like a polished cotton. Maybe you can see that sheen in the light. It is a really, really nice product. So we have 2 bolts of that because white and black have also been in high demand recently. And then we have a reorder of what I think is the best red by Moda. This is called Christmas Red. I love this color. It's really a nice, true, deep red. Beyond the new fabrics in the shop, I wanted to show you a couple new kits that we have from Cozyblue Embroidery. We showed you a lot of the Cozyblue kits a couple of weeks ago, and again, she is out of Asheville, North Carolina, so fairly local to us. We like to support our local artists, and so these are both kits that you can buy and make. And again, these kits have everything you need in them: needles, floss, the hoop, the pre-printed panels. Everything you need to make this is going to be right here in these kits. And then we also have, if you like to buy your batiks kind of all set up for you, these are Hoffman Bali Batik Club bundles. These bundles are all fat quarters, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fat quarters per bundle. And these actually coordinate with months of the year, but you can obviously use them however you like. March, February, December, and November. The November one has lots of yummy colors inside it. There's some grape in there and some dark green, some brown. So if you'd like to buy something that's already kind of ready set for a project, that's a good option for you. Now with all this new stuff, you've got to find something in here that you love. Let us know in the comments what you liked best out of today's assortment. We will see you tomorrow on Friday.